This is very, very interesting. I was recording today's short video and then I pulled out 4 cards and I want to talk about it because it's very significant. So the first one that came is this one, which is something recorded, slowing down. So the message was, you need to rest. You can rest. You can lay down. It's done. There is nothing more you can do. It's done. And it's connected to your fear of letting go, because you see how God, the light, has everything in control. And this was for me the heartbeat. And it's connected to your relationship with God, how you trust God. I know you've been betrayed, but now there is nothing you can do. The only thing you're required to do is trust and lay down. I got this, what's coming. You see how familiar are these two. Abundance, desire, wish fulfillment is here. God is delivering again. You don't have anything to do. But the next card was indicating me, because this is healing from the toxic wound mom lineage side, toxic mother side wound that you carry, implying that this is very difficult for you to trust because you've been betrayed, because they were very jealous of you, because you have it all. And it's as if they're so new, connected to your destiny. I'm hearing destiny swap. So it's a very karmic situation that is ending right now. Remember, end of cycles is really happening right now. So it's still about transmuting the last debris, because I know how much it hurt you. I know what you've been through. And I know again how difficult it is for you to trust now. Because actually it's as if you just ran into some MF your entire life. Obviously we know it's lesson, karmic lesson, etc., initiation. But your heart space has been extremely broken because people after people, they were betraying you. Obviously, again, we know that it was to heal from the person who did you wrong. But again, your heart has some difficulty to trust. So it was 3:14 on the timer when I was watching, which is God to me, which is God. It is safe for you to trust now because God is in control. And yes, you've been betrayed. And this is one of the most beautiful messages I ever received, actually. And I got emotional, to be quite honest, because I've been there. Obviously, this is how I can bring this message to the world. You're safe now. It's safe to trust. It is safe. I know what you're going through, about to receive, have received already, seems too good to be true, but it is just because it's powered by God. So, again, you can trust. And the last message was the constellation of the 7 sisters. 7, again, is very godly made, and this is connected to Sirius, and this is connected to ancient Egypt, and Egypt, and this is connected to Atlantis. And you're here to make heaven on earth again. You're here to create golden earth again, and it's time because God decided so. So please receive this sacred chant to help you disintegrate the last debris of trust issue. Naraya ere yokoro wanana. Ne yetere yokoro umuno no wiyatra iyo o so waka. Ne yetere yamaka a. Ikere wu do kunu duru ma. Ikara. We zike kuma atra yatra. Ikatra kuyasa. Be blessed for eternity. And until next time, Namaste.